The Wagner FLEXiO 590 is an indoor-outdoor handheld sprayer kit for all projects. The X-Boost turbine produces unmatched power and provides adjustable control, full coverage, and low overspray. The FLEXiO 590 comes with 2 nozzles to meet the needs of any project. The iSpray nozzle delivers a professional finish spraying broad surfaces with residential unthinned paints. The Detail Finish Nozzle is ideal for small projects and fine finishing. Unit includes a Detail Finish Nozzle, iSpray nozzle, and storage case. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Perfect for a variety of projects. The FLEXiO 590 paint sprayer is great for applying a superior finish on furniture, walls, ceilings, exterior siding, fences, cabinets, trim and more. Number 2. 2 nozzles included. iSpray nozzle is ideal for spraying larger jobs and Detail Finish nozzle is great for small projects and fine finishing. Number 3. Spray unthinned materials. X-Boost turbine delivers the power to spray the unthinned interior and exterior paints and stains. Number 4. Adjustable paint flow. X-Boost power dial has 10 speed settings to easily adjust the flow of material and achieve precise control. Pattern adjustment can be horizontal or vertical and wide or narrow. Number 5. 10 times faster than a brush. This paint sprayer covers an 8 feet by 10 feet surface in 1 minute for stains and 5 minutes for latex paints and can spray up to 8.0 gallons per hour. Plus, cleanup only takes 5 minutes. Number 6. Exterior siding. Why hire someone to do a job you can get done yourself? Use the FLEXiO 590 to easily apply a great finish to your home exterior. Number 7. Interior walls. The FLEXiO 590 can paint a wall 10 times faster than a brush or roller, making it the go-to option when painting any room. Number 8. Fences decks. Large decks and fences are no match for the FLEXiO 590. Use this innovative sprayer to quickly apply a flawless finish without brush marks. Number 9. Cabinets. Use the Detail Finish nozzle for small projects like cabinets and trim that require fine finishing work. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.